Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add translator bot on Discord. So you have a friend that uses different language on Discord and you are using Google Translate to understand your friend's language. But do you know that you can add translator bot on Discord? Here is what you need to do. Go to a website called interaction-dashboard.com. Then you just need to click on invite, and in here you just need to select your server and then continue and just click authorize. And once you click authorize, go to your Discord and go to your server, and you will see that the bot is already in your server. All you need to do is you need to set up this bot. You just need to type backslash and then config and choose config category translation. Press enter. Here you just need to select text channel, and then on the language you just need to select whatever language you want the bot to translate to you. So in my case, I just want to translate it into English. I'll just need to put English, and then on enable you just need to select through. And there you go. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.